Hello friends, welcome to iTechkey YouTube channel. My name is Varun Chauhan. I hope all are doing well. I am also doing well friends. Today I came with interesting subject CWP panel installation. Friends, if you are new my YouTube channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's start to continue. If you are planning to web hosting server, so I suggest you install CWP panel because they are same features like cPanel, and also you can save money because cPanel are paid services. You will get same features in CWP panel. Let's start to continue. The requirement for install CWP panel. First, we need to a good hardware server. If we are planning on cloud, so we can also install on cloud. Other thing is IP PTR enable require. If we are planning on cloud, so there no need of. If we are planning in our office premises, so there need to PTR enable on IP. I am giving you video link in description. There you can check how to enable PTR. And also your domain should be configured for email services. I am also providing video link in description for domain configure. Friends, now move on server and let's start installation. Friends, before installing the CWP panel server, I am telling you about the CWP panel features. Apache Wave Server, Mode security plus automatic update rules optional, PHP 5.6 and PHP version switcher, MySQL, MariaDB, PHP MyAdmin, email postfix and dovecot, mailboxes, roundcube, web interface, antivirus, spam assassin optional, CSF, config server firewall, backups, easy user management interface, setup server for web hosting with WordPress, free DNS server, live monitoring, file system, lock, server configuration, autoflexer, cPanel, account migration, features also available. These are command. So first we will set host name to our server. I am giving mail.go.iTechkey.com server name. Command host name ctl set dash host name mail.go.iTechkey.com and press enter. Now I am checking host name configure or not. Host name ctl command running. Now check static host name has been configured. There we can check static mail.go.iTechkey.com. This server has been configured. Now next command will run yum install NetworkManager-tui. I paste there. Friends, I'll provide you all commands. Don't worry if you missed something. I will give you all commands in description. Is this okay? Click on Y. It is asking for installation confirmation. Next command we will run nmtui. It's this command used for change IP. If you want to change your IP, so you can change. But if you want to give IP manually, so you can give. But I want default setting with DHCP server. Then quit. And next command we will run yum dash y update. This command used for update in CentOS. It is updating. Wait for some time. Update command has been successfully run. Now next command we will run yum-y install wget. We are installing wget application. If you have already installed, so don't need to run. I have already installed. Now I'll go in src path cd usr local source. So I'm entering this path. Now next command I'll run wget http CentOS. All command I'll provide in description. There you can copy paste if you are unable to search on internet. So press enter. Now CWP panel script downloaded. Now I am running to this. Press enter. Now CWP panel running install. There is many setups downloading and installing. Please wait for some time. It's take around 15 to 20 minutes. It is depend on your internet speed and server speed. But I am telling you about my internet speed and my server. Friends, we are pausing to video for some time till the end of installation, and wait for some time because all steps we need to complete. If you missed something, so you will get trouble. Now CWP panel has been installed. Now need to reboot the server. So I am rebooting. Please wait for some time. Now again access the server by putty, and there is details is showing after CWP panel install. So there we can check, and now I am accessing in browser https and our IP and port number. They saying your connection is not private, so I clicked on advance and clicked proceed to unsave. There type your root username and password. You can check we have access CWP panel services. So there is option available. I'm telling you dashboard, CWP setting, server setting, web server setting, PHP setting, service SSH, service config, user account, domain, package, SQL services, email, DNS, function, security, file management, plugin, developer menu, script installer, billing graph, user account. I hope my video helpful for you. So please be continue because I'll provide complete solution about the CWP panel. Thanks for watching.